Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change your Kia Optima air filter. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new air filter. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Next, locate the air filter housing, which is typically a large black box found under the hood, often near the front of the engine compartment. Now it's time to access the old filter. Depending on your Optima model, you'll either unclip the metal fasteners or unscrew the screws holding the housing cover in place. Gently lift the cover to reveal the dirty air filter. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you correctly position the new one. With the old filter removed, carefully place your new air filter into the housing. Ensure it sits snugly and correctly, matching the orientation you noted earlier. There should be no gaps around the edges. Once the new filter is in place, lower the housing cover and resecure all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure it's tight. Before you finish, give all the clips and screws a final check to ensure everything is securely fastened. Then, start your Kia Optima's engine and listen for any unusual sounds, confirming everything is operating smoothly. Changing your air filter regularly improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. For more great tips and deals, including a link to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.